Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply create a line art on CapCut Mobile using the draw section. So you're just going to, I think it's in text, and you're just going to select draw, and you're just going to select a drawing brush. I'm just going to use the normal one, and I'm going to also select a color for mine. I'm just going to use this purple. You can adjust the size, the hardness, the opacity, and stuff like that. Then you're just going to try to just like trace it the best you can. Okay, I think this is a little bit too big. I'm just trying to do this because like the phone screen's small, so just like bear with me on this one. And like it's not going to be perfect, of course, as you can see. I'm just going to draw these like two antennas, and then I'm going to delete the photo and leave, oh actually I don't think you can delete the photo. Let me see if I can like add like an overlay in between the drawings. Let me try that real quick. Okay, add an overlay instead of like doing that, and just like resizing it. I know the drawings look really bad, but that's because I'm in a hurry. But you're just going to make the overlay a little bit big, and hopefully your drawing isn't as bad as mine. But that's how you can kind of create this like line art. You just trace it. But yeah, again, I'm in a hurry, so it doesn't look that great. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!